The title of the video is correct. I've spent just under $10,000 in day trading. I've spent 3 years and I have not made a single penny in return. No monetary reward for all of this work and money that I've put in. Do I regret it? I'll talk about that later. Am I going to give up? We'll talk about that later as well. But first of all, I wanted to go over my expenses and how I added up to $10,000 in the course of 3 years. So first of all, we have TradingView. This is pretty essential to be looking at the charts. I need TradingView. So I pay for monthly. I pay for data, live data for futures. So $7.61 a month. And I also pay for the essential subscription for TradingView, which is around $140 a year. And also this most recent time, I bought the premium subscription for $230. Was that necessary? Probably not, but I did it. So that totals to $547.33. Next, prop firms. I was trying to make money. I paid for prop firms. Probably not a good decision. I probably should have proved to myself that I'm profitable first, which I am doing now. But the Apex ones are just stupid. There was no reason to be buying any of these Apex challenges. I was just wanting money. Here, you can see in the top right, $349.63 on Apex challenges and $147 on Top Step. Top Step, when I was trading these, I was a little better of a trader than when I was doing Apex, but still, I could use all this money in my bank account. And right now we're totaling to $1,000, $1,053.96. Next is paying for a mentor. This was probably the best investment I've made in my trading. I would do this again if I had to start over. I would pay for a mentor, and yeah, but it did cost the most amount of money. So $4,200 for a mentor. Some of you might think that's a dumb decision. I think it's an investment myself, and I would 100 times rather invest in my education to make money than put it in the S&P 500 and get like what, 10% a year? Not even. This makes sense to me. Investing in my education to make more money, to have a career path that makes money. This is like investing in college, except college is stupid. It's just stupid expensive. But at the time, this was 90% of all the money I had. I had $4,600 in my bank account, and that was 90% of all the money I had. So right now I'm at $5,253.96. Next, Robinhood and Webull. This is just the stupidest decision that I have made in my trading career, and this is when I just got started. So right when I turned 18, I made a Webull and a Robinhood account. And from there, I put in pretty much all the money that I made, all the money refereeing soccer games, money that I got from birthdays and holidays, people that gave me gifts, and also graduation money. All that money, pretty much all of it, I put into Robinhood and Webull. And at first, of course, I made money, got some beginner's luck, made $200 on Robinhood and around almost $300 on Webull, and of course, I lost every single penny of that money. Yeah, that was painful. That was very, very painful, and just stupid. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was using that much money. Just stupid. It was just really, really stupid. And right now, that is almost $8,000 just down the drain. Next, we have backtesting. So I paid for some backtesting subscriptions. I don't regret this at all. I used them a lot. I used FX Replay a lot, and I think it was worth it to get better as a trader. But overall, spent $432 in backtesting subscriptions with FX Replay. Now we're almost at $8,400 almost. Next, crypto. This is just as bad as Robinhood and Webull, except I already knew more of what I was doing, and I still made this dumb decision. So these are all the transactions I have for crypto. You can read them all if you want to, but there is a lot. There's like a 151 here, a 101 here, mostly $50, and then this one is $500. And all of this money is not, it's nothing anymore. This money is nothing. I gave it all back to the market. This is all of this money that I put in, zero. Totaling to $1,350 in crypto. Turned to zero. I lost every fucking penny that I put into crypto. Every fucking penny. That is so much money to me right now. It's just fucking stupid. And the grand total, $9,784.31. Almost $10,000. $200 away from $10,000. I'm thinking maybe I just throw in $200 more and I full port it just so I can make $10,000. No, I'm kidding. But do I regret it? Do I regret losing $10,000? My answer? Of course I regret losing $10,000. That money would mean so much to me right now. But I really needed those lessons. Those were lessons that I paid for. I made stupid decisions. I was punished for it. It hurt me. It hurt seeing that much money just go to nothing. Losing that money that I worked hard for. Some of it I was gifted, but a good amount I worked for that money and I just blew it. But it taught me a lesson. It taught me to come into to be a successful day trader. You can't just gamble. You have to take this shit seriously. And you have to risk manage properly. And you have to have a long-term vision. Not one trade is not going to make you rich. It's just not going to happen. You got to be in this for a long-term mindset. Or you're never going to make it. And you're just going to lose more money. So, do I regret it? Of course I regret it. But I would do it again. I would not change anything from that path. If I made a different decision, I wouldn't be who I am today. And I really enjoy who I am today and the way that I think and the way that I can trade now. The way I think about trading and how I view the market. It's because of the money I spent. I was probably going to lose that money regardless. So, of course I regret it, but what happened, happened, and I can't do anything. All I can do is learn from those lessons, and I cannot put stupid money in, like putting money into crypto or trying to just pretty much gamble my money. It's not worth it. Am I going to give up? I think by me making this video, it's pretty obvious that I'm not going to give up. There's no fucking way I'm giving up. I genuinely enjoy trading. I enjoy coming into the markets and watching price move. I like backtesting and watching price move and seeing where I could get into the market and watching my skills grow. It's enjoyable for me. I fucking love this shit. I remember I was sitting in my car with my mom. I was in either freshman year of high school or like 8th grade. I remember I was sitting in the car with my mom. Very vividly, I remember telling her that I wanted to be a day trader and making money on the side with side gigs. She probably does not even remember that, and it probably went through her ear and not the other. But I remember that so vividly. I want to be a day trader and doing side gigs. Now look at me. I'm learning to day trade. I'm dog sitting with my own company and as an independent contractor. I'm doing a side gig of Uber Eats and DoorDash. I'm also selling clothes on Depop and eBay. I'm exactly where I wanted to be. Obviously, there's so much more I want to go, but I'm exactly where I wanted to be. And I know I'm so close. And I know what I need to do to get there. It's just going to take more time. And I'm not ever going to give up on my dreams. I don't fucking care how long it takes. I will do this shit. I want this shit so bad that I will do this. I will be a successful, profitable day trader. And I really hope there's a bunch of people leaving me, I want to say hate comments, but they're not even hate comments. So people trying to discourage me to keep trading. I hope, because they've already clicked off this video. They saw me counting my $10,000 in losses and they clicked off this video. They're not here. They don't care about what I have to say. They just want to tell me to stop trading. And I hope there's so many in the comment section. Because I'm going to come back to this video in 6 months, in a year, when I actually fucking make it. And looking back at those comments when I actually make it, I just hope they're there. I really do. So, I think that's about all I have to say for this video. If you're coming into trading as a new trader, you don't have to spend $10,000. Just understand, I made the mistakes. I put my money into crypto trying to gamble. I tried to buy prop from challenges trying to gamble. I tried to do dumb shit. When I first started, I put in $2,500 and I lost all of it. You don't need to do that. Maybe you do need to spend money on a mentor and TradingView subscription. So maybe like this could have been like $5,000 instead. But you don't need to make the dumb decisions, the dumb mistakes that I made. You don't need to do that. It was just stupid. Just stupid. And you don't need to do that. So that is all for this video. If you enjoyed and you actually got value out of this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more trading content. I'm going to continue to post more videos, hopefully higher quality videos. I'm going to try and grow this channel and become a profitable trader. These videos that I'm making now are to show you that I was in your position. Because when I actually do become a profitable trader, you can come back to these videos where I'm an unprofitable trader. Right now, I'm an unprofitable trader. Haven't made any money. And if you're watching this from the future, when I have made money, you could see that I was in your position. And it sucks, but it's so worth it. I haven't even made any money and I know it's so worth it. I love this shit. Even without making any money, I've seen so much growth within myself as a human being and also so much growth in my trading skills. I'm not a little fucking bitch anymore. I know how to achieve my dreams now. I know how to handle my emotions. Because of trading. Trading taught me to look within myself and see my flaws. I love trading for everything it's done for me, and I haven't made any money. So, thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to put up another one pretty soon. But I love and I appreciate you. But peace out.